Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can use ChatGPT on your mobile. So ChatGPT has an app version. You can easily download it just like this. In my case, I have. You can go to your Play Store or App Store and search for ChatGPT and download it and click on it to open. Once you open it, log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, it's going to look just like this. Now, before I show you the steps on how you guys can use it, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. Once you're over here, you can see message at the bottom. If you want to search for something, just click on the message and type. So let's say I want to type, when was YouTube founded? Once I type whatever I want, you can see the arrow pointing at the top at the right side. Click on it and it will search for it, and ChatGPT will give you the answer just like this. Now, if you want to, instead of typing, use your voice, you can see the little, up and down icon right beside the arrow icon over here. You can click on it and then it's going to say tap to stop recording. Once you want to stop a recording, tap on it and whatever you were saying is going to be converted like this. And if you click on this arrow button at the side, which is pointing at the top, this thing will be searched and ChatGPT will give you the answer. And if you want some more features, you can click on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen, and then over here it says history. You can click on history and delete your history through there. If you want to rename, you can click on rename, and you can rename your chat as well. So this is basically my chat. I could rename it. And if I want to go on settings, I can click on settings, get a subscription, or do anything I want. I can go on data control, I can go on color scheme, and all this stuff over here. So yeah, this is the basic tips on how we guys can use ChatGPT. So if I was able to help you guys, make sure to hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you in the future video. Bye bye.